Construction is about to look completely different. In 2026, new building technologies are changing how structures are designed, assembled, and even repaired. Faster timelines, smarter materials, and machines that rethink what's possible on site. These aren't distant concepts, they're real innovations already reshaping cities and job sites around the world. From automation to advanced materials, the tools behind tomorrow's skylines are here. Stay with me, because some of these breakthroughs could redefine how we build everything. Number 1. Meet the Fischer BauBot, an autonomous construction robot designed to handle repetitive and precision-heavy tasks with consistent accuracy. Instead of relying fully on manual labor, this system operates like a large-scale, futuristic controller for the job site, where programmed inputs guide drilling, anchoring, and fastening with exact positioning. It's almost like using a wearable smart mouse. Small digital commands translate into precise physical action. The BauBot can navigate structured environments, follow mapped layouts, and complete tasks that normally require steady hands and long hours. This makes it especially useful for industrial builds, large infrastructure projects, and controlled construction zones where efficiency and consistency matter most. Rather than replacing workers, it's built to support crews by taking on detailed, repetitive operations, while humans focus on supervision and complex decision-making. Looking forward to 2026, autonomous systems like the Fischer BauBot show how construction is shifting towards smarter, tech-assisted workflows. It's not about flashy robotics, it's about reliable automation that improves precision and productivity. And when machines start executing plans this accurately, the future of building begins to look very different. Number 2. Introducing the Hadrian construction robot, an automated bricklaying system designed to bring speed and precision to one of the oldest building methods in history. Instead of manual placement, this machine reads digital building plans and positions bricks with measured accuracy, almost like a futuristic controller guiding every move. The process feels less like traditional construction and more like operating next-gen tech, where programmed inputs translate directly into clean, consistent wall structures. Built for large housing projects and repetitive structural work, Hadrian focuses on efficiency, reducing material waste, and improving alignment across entire builds. It doesn't replace human oversight, but it handles the repetitive placement tasks that demand time and precision. Looking toward 2026, robotics like this show how automation is reshaping construction workflows, faster timelines, smarter execution, and better consistency. And when bricklaying becomes this controlled and data-driven, building at scale starts to look very different. Number 3. The DERUTU CA80, a heavy-duty construction system built to handle demanding structural work with precision and strength. Designed for large-scale builds, it combines reinforced engineering with smart control systems that guide operations like a futuristic controller on a massive scale. Instead of relying purely on manual coordination, the CA80 responds to calibrated inputs and programmed settings, delivering consistent output across tough job site conditions. It's built for infrastructure projects, industrial facilities, and complex structural frameworks where durability and accuracy matter most. The interface feels almost like operating a wearable smart mouse for heavy equipment: clear commands, controlled movement, and reliable performance under pressure. As construction moves deeper into 2026, machines like the CA80 highlight how next-gen tech is blending raw power with smarter automation. And when machines start executing plans this accurately, building at scale becomes far more efficient. Number 4. Introducing the Screedsaver Ultra Plus, a laser-guided leveling system designed to bring pinpoint accuracy to concrete work. Instead of relying on manual estimation, it uses laser precision to control elevation and smoothness in real time, almost like a futuristic controller guiding every inch of the surface. The system responds to calibrated inputs with steady adjustments, similar to how a wearable smart mouse translates small movements into exact on-screen results. Built for commercial floors, large slabs, and industrial sites, it helps crews achieve consistent flatness with less rework. As construction technology advances into 2026, tools like this show how digital accuracy is becoming the new standard. And when leveling becomes this precise, the entire foundation improves from the ground up. Number 5. Meet the Multi-Story PrintBot, a 3D construction system designed to print full-scale homes layer by layer, even across multiple floors. Instead of traditional framing and brickwork, it follows digital blueprints and deposits structural material with measured precision, almost like a giant futuristic controller translating code into concrete. Every movement is guided by programmed paths, similar to how a wearable smart mouse turns small inputs into exact results. Built for residential projects and rapid housing development, the PrintBot focuses on consistency, reduced material waste, and streamlined timelines. As we move into 2026, technologies like this show how construction is shifting toward automation and digital design at scale. And when buildings can be printed with this level of control, the way we create homes starts to change entirely. Number 6. The Core printer, a large-scale 3D construction system that turns digital blueprints into real structures with controlled precision. It operates like a massive futuristic controller, following programmed paths to print walls layer by layer with minimal waste. The process feels almost like using a wearable smart mouse on a job site, small digital commands shaping full-size buildings. Designed for fast housing projects and scalable construction in 2026, it shows how automation is redefining how we build from the ground up.
Thanks for watching. Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.